Here's a GRE data analysis question. Let's take a look. The number of television sets sold, that matters, by store R last month was approximately what percent less than the number of television sets sold by store T last month? So the reason I'm making such a big deal of these words is that this table right here tells us how many units there are in stock, not how many were sold. To figure that out, we have to use this graph right here, which tells us what percent of the units in stock were actually sold. So let's start with store R, right? How many TV sets did store R have in stock? Well, they had 40. And then the question is, what percent of those 40 did they sell? Well, let's go to store R and look at TV sets. They sold, it looks like 50%. So 50% of 40 means that store R sold 20 TV sets. Okay. Now, as for store T, right, they had 50 TV sets in stock, and they sold what percent of that? Well, it looks like 90% of that. What's 90% of 50? Use your calculator on this if you don't know. It's 45. So then the question is, what percent less is 20 than 45? Well, there are a few ways to do this. I'm going to use the classic new minus old over old formula. So that's new minus old over old. My new value is 20. My old value is 45. So I'm going to do 20 minus 45 divided by 45. And when I do that, it comes out to about 0.5666, I believe. And so the question is approximately what percent less? So that's going to be answer option B. For more GRE tips and tricks or to sign up for my live online course, follow the link on my profile.